The Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hyperlink in Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A hyperlink in Word acts just like you see on a web page or email. When you hyperlink text or graphics, they become clickable and connect you to outside information or to somewhere else within your document. So how to hyperlink or add link on your Word document. For example, I will add an Excel link document. It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Word. You can open the document that you want to put the link. This one. I will add link. It's in this page. Okay. I want to put in here. Now you can go to insert and you'll find there is an option link. Click on link. You can choose the current folder that you want to add to this Word document. Maybe for example like this one, or you can browse pages, or you can use recent files, place the comment, or you can add email. I will choose from existing file or web page because we want to add the Excel document. I will just choose from my current folder and choose on the document like this. So here you go. So when people open this document and click on this link, they will directly redirect to the Excel document. So simple, right? So that is how to hyperlink on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.